Hey, Ben Ben. Do you want some dog food? Huh? Where's your Nana? Who's eating all your food? Who's this? Domino. Hi, baby. You're not a doggy. Who's eating your... Oh. Ben Ben. Is she eating your food? Are you just going to let her? Huh? Where's the kitty? What's the kitty doing? Oh. She won't let you have your food, Benson. You starving pup. Domino. Tommy. Domino. Domino. I think she really likes your food. Benson. Mommy. Where's Mommy? Hi. Oh. I don't think. Yeah, you gotta stick your face in there. See how that works out. I'm giving kitty kisses. Okay, here you go.